Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on G Suite. Before we get started, we want to recognize that not all of us were born with computers at our fingertips. Some of us had to send letters in the mail. That's right, we're old as sh**. New technology may seem daunting, but you've got this. Hit next, and let's get started. Verde's active involvement with the Italian unification and independence movement, the Risorgimento, has labeled him a political composer. The wars and revolutions of 1848 through 49 came close to achieving the long-held dream of Italian nationhood, and Verde's response and contribution was La Battaglia di Legnano. Today, we're headed to Montana to meet the most famous dinosaur of all time. That's right, we're traveling back 66 million years to meet the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex. T-Rex was not the largest meat eater, but it was one of the scariest. Though its arms were tiny and nearly useless, its jaws were strong enough to crush any animal. Hi, Kim. I understand you wanted to speak to me about something rather sensitive.
My manager, Joe, has been making really inappropriate comments about my appearance lately. It's making me very uncomfortable.
I'm glad you've brought this to my attention. We take reports of sexual harassment very seriously. Newton's second law states that the time rate of change of the momentum of a body is equal in both magnitude and direction to the force imposed on it. The momentum of a body is equal to the product of its mass and its velocity. Momentum, like velocity, is a vector quantity, having both magnitude and direction.